Mr. Speaker, I want to thank my friend and colleague for yielding. Mr. Speaker, I rise in strong support of H.R. 3920, Trade and Globalization Assistance Act of 2007. Under this administration, we have adopted a record 8 free trade agreements. In trade and globalization, there are winners and there are losers. Mr. Speaker, increasing the funding and efficiency of the Trade Assistance Program is the very least we can do as a Congress. In my home state of Georgia, we have used more than 125% of our allotment. Why? Because agriculture and textile jobs are disappearing. They're leaving the state of Georgia. These families are struggling just to make ends meet. They want to work. They need to work. How can we oppose, how can we be against investing in our greatest access, the American workforce? We can spend hundreds, thousands, millions, and billions of dollars on war. Can we spend just a few dollars on the workers of America? To oppose this bill is heartless. It makes no sense, and it is irresponsible. So I urge all of my colleagues to vote yes for this important bill. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, and I yield back the balance of my time.